Welcome to the Plumbing Group Pipeline. I'm your host, Nicole Krawcke, Chief Editor of Plumbing and Mechanical and PM Engineer magazines. Here's a recap of the industry's latest headlines. The NKBA announced its 2023 Board of Directors. Jan Heck, President and CEO of Miele USA, was elected NKBA Board Chair, succeeding Basil E. Larkin, Senior Vice President of Sales at Heston Commercial Corp. In addition to Heck, Kristen Elder, Vice President of Residential Builder and Showrooms for Ferguson Enterprises, has been elected Vice Chair, and Ken Williams, President and CEO of Caesarstone North America, was named Board Secretary and Treasurer. Newly elected 2023 board members include Eduardo Cosentino, Executive Vice President of Cosentino Group and CEO of Cosentino America, and Carrie Kelly, CEO and Creative Director of Carrie Kelly Design Lab. Both are slated to serve 4-year terms. Basil Larkin and Jan Nedges, Principal of Jan Nedges CKD LLC, have both completed their 4-year terms and will depart the board at the close of 2022. As NKBA helps drive the kitchen and bath industry forward in North America, as well as establish a global presence, we're very pleased to welcome Jan Heck as our new board chair, said Bill Darcy, NKBA CEO. Jan and several of our current board members have firsthand experience in the international market, which is invaluable to the NKBA as we continue to grow around the world. We are grateful to our board for their commitment to this industry and their invaluable insights. Next, during the recent 2022 AD Industrial and Safety U.S. North American meeting, AD held its Spirit of Independence Awards dinner celebrating Industrial and Safety U.S. members and supplier partners for excellence within their companies and for contributions to AD. AD Member of the Year Awards recognize member companies who achieve sales growth and growth in purchases from AD suppliers, participated in AD programs and divisional initiatives, and have a high level of commitment to AD suppliers. The following companies received Member of the Year awards. The 2022 AD Industrial and Safety U.S. Tier 1 Member of the Year Award went to Navasota Industrial Supply. The 2022 AD Industrial and Safety U.S. Tier 2 Member of the Year Award went to R.S. Hughes Company. The 2022 AD Industrial and Safety U.S. Tier 1 Supplier of the Year Award went to Werner Company. And the 2022 AD Industrial and Safety U.S. Tier 2 Supplier of the Year Award went to Milwaukee Tool. Next up, 'tis the season. Harts Services, a Pacific Northwest plumbing company founded in 2013, celebrates a team of apprentices who lived up to the company's We Care More motto in November by donating extensive time and service to a local Habitat for Humanity project. 7 students from Harts Academy Apprentice Program installed a new complete system of water and sewer pipes for the project, which is renovating a home for a Tacoma family this holiday season. At Harts Services, we're committed to making a positive difference in our community, said Harts Academy instructor Chad Glazier. That's something we teach our Harts Academy students in addition to the critical skills they need for a successful career in the plumbing industry. We want them to understand that We Care More is an important aspect of our mission, so it's gratifying to see them putting our motto into action in a meaningful way this holiday season. Harts Academy is Harts Services' innovative in-house apprenticeship program, offering 8 weeks of comprehensive classroom education and hands-on experience in an immersive plumbing training platform. Harts Academy prepares motivated trainees for a rewarding, high-paying career in one of America's essential industries. Next, Brown & Caldwell announced Vice President Tracy Stigers has been appointed as Design Chief Engineer in recognition of 4 decades of exceptional technical leadership and client service. She is the first woman in the firm's 75-year history to hold the esteemed title. Stigers will lead all design from a technical and delivery expertise perspective across all of Brown & Caldwell's design initiatives, implementing innovation, quality control, and project delivery throughout North America and the Pacific. Since joining the environmental engineering and construction services firm in 1980, Stigers has progressed from junior engineer to one of its top technical and delivery experts. She has vast experience in the design and construction of large-scale wastewater conveyance, treatment, and reuse facilities, including serving as project manager on the San Francisco Public Utility Commission's $2.3 billion biosolids digester facilities project, the largest value design job in Brown & Caldwell's history. And last but not least, the Plastics Pipe Institute announced a major update to its Building and Construction Division's Plastic Pipe Design Calculator, a free software tool for the design of plastic pressure pipe and tubing systems using CPVC, HDPE, PEX, PERT, PPR, and PPRCT. The calculator is intended to be used for applications such as plumbing, water service, fire protection, hydronic piping, radiant heating and cooling, snow and ice melting, geothermal ground loops, district heating, chilled water, and turf conditioning. The latest updates in the version 3.0 of the calculator include the addition of more than 50 new pipe sizes, methanol as a fluid choice for geothermal designs, sodium chloride and calcium chloride brine solutions as fluid choices for chilled water, and the new static water column pressure function. This new function is the 6th tool available in the calculator and will help designers to estimate the pressure inside piping at the bottom of a geothermal borehole or at the bottom of a multi-story plumbing fire protection or hydronic system. For more information on these stories and more of the latest industry news, visit us at pmmag.com, pmengineer.com, or supplyht.com.